stunning views from every direction. This favored floor plan on 23rd floor gives every room in this condo access to one of the 3 terraces. Western sunsets over Estero Bay and Gulf of Mexico, and eastern views over lakes and lush green golf course. This home has been meticulously maintained with numerous upgrades and wood floors, granite counters, new hot water heater, storm shutters, etc. See the full list of upgrades in our brochure. You will really appreciate the 2 easy access parking spaces on the lobby level and the ground floor storage unit. The amenities in Estancia are also above the norm. Newly renovated pool and deck area, resort pool, spa, 3 gas grills, 2 fire pits and the covered cabana area. The exterior parking and landscaping have also been upgraded. The interior amenities include 2 guest suites, fitness center, social, card, and massage rooms. Bonita Bay Club has 5 golf courses, 18 Court Tennis Ctr, restaurants at the Club and Marina with golf access.